everybody, here's the painting from my last video. It did not dry well at all. Um, it all faded in. It doesn't look good at all. So, and I had been hesitant to do a black background because of this reason, but I'm going to give it another shot today, but using bright colors and white paint as the one with silicone. So we're going to give it another shot and see how it goes. Because I can't judge after just one. I need to do more than one if you're doing an experiment. One is not an experiment. Well, one is an experiment, but you need to do more than one. So, got my, make sure my board is clean. May try and tip off as much black as I can. Hope everyone's doing good. Some of you have asked how my dog's doing. She's doing pretty good. After her spay, she got a seroma, which is a fluidy lump. But the vet said it's no big deal, so she's just has a lump on her stomach right now. But otherwise, she's doing good. And I hope to take her back to the dog bar on Saturday, which I've talked about, the best place on earth. Watch your dogs play while having a beer. It's awesome. We're supposed to have a rash of rainy weather for like over a week, but I think Saturday may be decent. Cloudy, but dry. I can deal with clouds as long as there's nothing coming out of them. Alright, my stool is in the way. Alright, so I've got yellow that I'm going to start with. And if you have suggestions on other videos you'd like to see, I'd love to hear them. Now we've got Grumbacher Prussian Blue, which this I'm assuming will kind of fade into the black, but I want it anyways, because it looks good with the other colors. And now deep violet with iridescent medium. Hopefully this one really shows. They're all already fading into the black. I'm not sure I have high hopes for this. And now for magenta light. Oops. I don't know what that was. A piece of paint or something. I didn't get it. There. I don't know if I didn't tilt enough black off again. I don't think that's really the problem. I think it's just they disappear. I've I've done black backgrounds before that have turned out great, just not this style. Or this technique, or whatever you want to call it. Put the lid back on the white so I don't forget. I'm losing my paint plastic. So right now it looks pretty cool. I'm going to leave it how it looks like it's going down, because that looks pretty neat. But will it dry this way? That's the million-dollar question, is will it dry this way? If it dries this way, then that's awesome. So it looks pretty cool. It looks way better than the other one did right afterwards. The colors are brighter. I like it. I hope it stays this way. But I will show you the dry version in the next video, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.